What's going on YouTube? This is also the Way It Kicks channel, back again with an unboxing for you on a sneaker that's probably going to end up being at least top 5. Some of you may think just top 10, but whatever your opinion is, it's one of the hottest sneakers to drop in 2024. And I'm talking about what's coming in this box right here. Yes, we got another Nike SB here for the channel, guys, and the label reads Nike SB Dunk Low OGQS. This is bleached aqua, geode teal white. I got these from the Goat app. Yes, I had to go the resale route to go ahead and cop these because unfortunately I missed out on all the raffles and took a big old fat L there on the sneakers app. But the shoes I am talking about are these right here, the Nike SB Dunk Low Futuras. And to me, these are some serious South Florida specials in my opinion. I mean, just look at the color all the way around. For those of you who know what South Florida is like, or you visited South Florida, all those great things, you know these colors are definitely South Florida-esque. In any case, we do got this graffiti art style all the way around on the canvas uppers on the shoe. We have white there in the toe box. We got white there on the lateral and medial side, guys. We also have a green swoosh that comes around here to a gray back tab with Nike Air there written on the back. We also have the FL there, which stands for Futura Labs, and then we have Futura's signature there on the outside heel. Taking a look here at the shoe, we got this infamous little red lace hole that's on the top there, guys. And taking a look here at the midsole, it's white, and then look at the stitching. It's that green stitching in there. Hopefully that's coming up properly for you guys. And then the outsole itself, you got that translucent kind of aqua outsole with Futura's signature there in the middle of the shoe. And let me go ahead and also show you here, the tongue tag is blue, or kind of that aqua blue, and then you got Futura written across the top with Nike SB below the swoosh. The tongue itself is white, and then you have that purple outlining the tongue there. Taking a look at the inside sock liner, it's kind of this purplish blue color, and then there's obviously some stuff down there on the insole foot pad I definitely have to show you guys. Let me go ahead and take out this tissue paper, and all right, here we go. Insole foot pad for you guys, and look at that. You got the Futura signature on there, Nike SB, Futura Labs down there on the heel, and then taking a look here, I mean, it says like Nike Dunk Low. That's pretty much what it says there, Nike Dunk Low in a bunch of different colors, along with Futura's signature on there as well. Pretty nice little touch. And let me go ahead and pull out the right shoe. Now, the difference between the left and the right shoe is the colors aren't exactly the same. They're very similar, but they are a little different as far as they're concerned. So it's not a direct match. It's supposed to be set up that way, you know. But in any case, there is an extra set of purple laces that come here that are attached on the right side. And I don't know how I feel about the purple. I do like the way these two-tone colored laces are in them. I think they're a better match in my opinion, but obviously if you guys own the shoe, you can do whatever it is you want to do. But let me know down in the comment section below what you guys are feeling when it comes to this shoe here. It is supposed to be the 20th anniversary as to when Nike and SB did Nike SB did a Futura Labs collaboration. Now that shoe apparently is going for like 50K or something like that. Something wild. That's a wild number. It's supposed to be one of the more sought after SBs out there. And listen, these won't reach that height, but hey, it's a nice shoe either way, guys. I mean, look, and when it comes to SBs and stuff, I'm trying to educate myself more and more, because one other thing that was talked about was this stitching you see here, and apparently that's supposed to, you know, pay homage or give a little nod to the OG style SB dunks that came out before, and this is supposed to be like the updated OG style SB dunk. But if you guys have more information for me to go ahead and check out to educate myself better, please go ahead and send it over to me. I definitely appreciate it. But thoughts and opinions when it comes to the Nike SB Dunk Low Futuras, and please smash that like button for me if you're new to my channel. Thank you for tapping in. Make sure you hit that subscriber button and click that notification bell so you can be notified every time I drop one of these videos. This is Lewis of the Way It Kicks channel, reminding you to be true, stay in the moment, and don't forget, every day is a great day to wear your kicks.